You're watching Sprinkle of Spice by MJ. Let's make a tricolor cheesecake with a triple flavor. Let's blend some digestive biscuits into a powder. Put it in a bowl and add melted butter to it. Mix it well to form a crumbly base for the cheesecake. Put the crumble mix in any mold of your choice and press to set the base. We're going to refrigerate it for a minimum of 1 hour. I've also used a cutter in case you do not have a mold. Let's whip some heavy whipping cream. Here I've used already sweetened one. We're going to whip it till it's light and fluffy. I'm going to add fresh mascarpone cheese to it. And I'm going to blend it one more time till it becomes nice and creamy. This looks perfect. Let's divide this cheese topping into 3 parts. In the first part, I'm going to add some orange color and orange essence. In the second one, I'm going to add some green color and a lemon essence. And the third one, I'm just going to add vanilla essence and no color. Gently mix it well. Since our base is perfectly set, let's pipe in our colorful and super creamy cheese topping. Let's prepare a tricolor cheese topping. We're going to refrigerate it for another 1 hour. Time to serve. Doesn't that look delicious? It's a perfect blend of the orange, vanilla and lemon flavors. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this one. Just delicious. Follow my channel for more wonderful recipes.